Today let us prepare scrumptious, delectable and a super creamy dessert from the Indian subcontinent, that is Kheer. Sticking on to the traditional recipe, I am not using corn flour, condensed milk, khoya or skim milk powder. Check the description section for the measurements of the ingredients. First, I'll soak half a cup of long grain rice. Drain it, transfer it to a towel and break the rice grains by bashing it on the table as shown. The long grain imparts a nice flavor to the kheer. These tiny bits of grains will literally dissolve in milk on cooking. I'll heat 1 liter of full fat milk. Once the milk reaches the boiling point, I'll add the soaked and the broken rice. Give it a mix and cook till the rice gets soft thoroughly. It takes 15 minutes approximately on a low flame. Then I'll be adding sugar. Give it a mix and cook till the sugar dissolves. Then in goes a pinch of saffron strands, followed by freshly ground green cardamom powder. The aroma is amazing. I'll cook this mixture for another 5 minutes. Then to finish up the kheer, I'll be melting a little amount of ghee. Then I'll be adding chopped almonds, pistachios and cashew nuts and fry it for approximately 30 seconds. And this will go into the rice and the milk mixture. Cook it for 2 more minutes and the kheer is ready. This dessert tastes amazing on chilling. This hassle-free dessert is perfect for serving during iftar as it can be prepared in large quantity to feed a crowd. Hope you will include this recipe as a part of your celebration during this Ramadan month. Thank you for watching.